Three Jamaican males killed on TikTok in recent times. Welcome back to the channel. And remember, this is just a thought. Now let's get into the details. I invite you to watch this video to the end and you're going to see what really happened or the possible causes for these TikTok live killing. In recent months, Jamaica has witnessed a disturbing trend: the targeted killings of popular TikTok personalities during live streams. These incidents have not only shocked the nation, but have raised pressing questions about the safety of content creators and the potential motives behind such attacks. Let's look at the first case. We have Xavier Nayagang Foga. Alright, and this happened in December 2024. Location, Holdaba, St. Catherine. Look up this. Nayagang, or Foga, known as Nayagang, was engaged in a TikTok live match when he was ambushed and fatally shot. Witnesses reported that Foga attempted to flee upon noticing the assailants, but was pursued and shot multiple times. Authorities have not established a clear motive, and Foga, which is Nayagang, was not known to be involved in any gang-related activities, according to this report. That's case one. Listen to case two. Marlon Samuels, popularly known as 41 Bussed, was shot and killed shortly after concluding a live session on Instagram. This was done in St. James, Montego Bay, St. James, in December of 2024. According to reports, his death occurred just a day before his birthday. It is said while Samuel had familial ties to an alleged gang leader, authorities have stated that his connection is purely coincidental and have not confirmed any gang-related motives. Let's look at case number 3, Jabari Baba Skeng Johnson. This happened April 28, 2025 on Riddles Road. Jabari Johnson, known as Baba Skeng and son of reggae artist Jamaican, was fatally shot during a TikTok live stream near Queenie's snack shop. A masked gunman approached Johnson during the live stream, shooting him multiple times before fleeing the scene. The incident was captured on video and has since circulated widely on social media platforms. But listen, my viewers and subscribers, let's analyze this trend, alright? The consecutive killings of these influencers suggest a troubling pattern. While each has unique circumstances though, the common trend is the use of live streaming platforms at the same time of the attacks, right? This raises concern, don't you think so, about the potential risk associated with real-time broadcasting, alright? Especially when personal locations and routines are inadvertently disclosed. Well, let's jump further. Let's look at potential underlying causes. And my people, this is just a thought. But potential underlying causes, do you think it could have been oversharing on social media? Because guess what? Live stream can unintentionally reveal content creators' location and making them vulnerable to target attacks, right? Let's look at envy and online feuds. The visibility and influence of TikTokers might attract envy or lead to conflicts that escalate beyond the digital realm. And these are those, potential underlying causes, right? Another one could have been gang-related activities. While not confirmed in all cases, association or perceived affiliation with gang members can increase this risk. And finally, another potential cause that we are thinking about on this channel is a desire for notoriety, right? Perpetrators might be motivated by the infamy associated with committing crimes during live broadcast. But in all of this, TikTokers and social media influencers must practice some safety precautions. Okay? So let us make some recommendations, safety recommendations for content creators. Can I ask you to share this video with anyone you know that are content creators, not only in Jamaica, but across the Caribbean and across the world? My first recommendation, limit real-time sharing, right? It's not possible people are going to want to share real time, but avoid disclosing your exact location during live stream. I heard somebody else said it. Put up a green screen. Change your background. All right? So avoid or limit real-time sharing. Another one, right? Beware of your surrounding. Choose safe and secure locations for broadcasting. I heard another vlogger say some people are real-time, streaming real-time, and they put the phone to the wall on their veranda with their back turned to the grill. You can't do that. Put the phone on the grill, put your back to the wall, anything you can run into your house. All right, so beware of your surrounding. Next thing, manage personal information. Be cautious about sharing personal details that could compromise your safety. All right, and the last safety precaution we want to put out there, my viewers and subscribers, report threats. So online, a lot of people are threatening each other, and it might sound like fun, it might sound like joke, but don't take any threat lightly. All right, so report threat. Immediately report any threats or suspicious activities to authorities. And in conclusion, my people, these tragic deaths of Xavier Foga, Marlon Samuel, and J.A.T Johnson underscore the potential dangers that content creators may face, right? And that's Naya Gang, that's Bossed, and that's Baba Skeng, right? As the digital landscape continues to evolve, it's imperative for influencers to prioritize their safety and for communities to address the underlying issues contributing to such violence. I say to my content creators out there, be safe. Practice safety precautions, report threats, and try to be positive on your channel and not to create any feud between you and anybody else. Can I invite you to press like on this video? Can I also to share your thoughts on any one of these incidents? Do you believe this is a trend? Are you saying who is next? Type your thoughts in the comment section. And please remember, this is just a thought. Thank you for tuning in. Please stay tuned for our next uploads. All the best. Take care.